DJI is once again ready to redefine what's possible in the world of drones and handheld cameras. Expected to make its mark in 2025, DJI's new lineup is designed to meet the needs of creators, professionals, and hobbyists alike. Here's a closer look at the exciting innovations DJI has in store, focusing on next-level flight, stability, and imaging quality across multiple devices. The last one is our favorite, so stay till the end to check that out. The DJI Mavic series has long been a favorite for aerial enthusiasts, and the Mavic 4 Pro looks set to uphold that reputation with remarkable upgrades. Designed for both professionals and advanced hobbyists, this model is expected to set a new standard for drone imaging and flight capabilities. The Mavic 4 Pro might introduce a next-generation sensor capable of capturing ultra-high-definition video in 6K or even 8K, allowing for crisper detail and vibrant colors. Paired with an upgraded gimbal and improved image stabilization, the Mavic 4 Pro will likely ensure smooth, professional-quality footage in any setting. Enhanced AI capabilities are anticipated to improve subject tracking, with real-time processing for tracking multiple subjects in complex environments. DJI could also expand the drone's range, possibly exceeding previous models, to allow pilots greater freedom and more dynamic shooting angles. Battery life is rumored to be extended as well, with up to 45 minutes of flight time, allowing for longer, uninterrupted sessions. The Mavic 4 Pro aims to strike a balance between portability and power, ensuring creators can easily transport and deploy this robust drone wherever inspiration strikes. DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be an ideal companion for content creators who prioritize portability without compromising on quality. Building on the success of its predecessors, this fourth-generation device could bring substantial improvements in video resolution, potentially supporting 4K recording at 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth, slow-motion footage. The camera's low-light performance may also receive a boost, addressing a common challenge faced by creators who work in varied lighting conditions. With rumors of a slightly larger sensor, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to capture more detail and produce richer, more accurate colors. The pocket-sized device will likely continue to offer DJI's trademark 3-axis gimbal stabilization, keeping footage steady even in motion. DJI may also integrate advanced AI editing features, giving users the power to apply filters, transitions, and even automated color grading directly within the device. Enhanced connectivity features are also expected, allowing creators to live stream or share content seamlessly. The Osmo Pocket 4, with its user-friendly design, should be an excellent tool for vlogging, travel videos, and casual filming, delivering high-quality output in a remarkably compact form. The DJI Osmo X is an exciting addition to DJI's 2025 lineup, promising to push the boundaries of immersive content creation. This model is speculated to be designed specifically for VR and 360-degree filming, catering to the growing demand for content that places viewers at the heart of the action. The Osmo X could feature dual-lens technology, allowing for seamless 360-degree video capture with minimal stitching artifacts, ideal for virtual tours, documentaries, and immersive experiences. Built with creators in mind, the Osmo X is expected to come equipped with high-resolution lenses that work in tandem with powerful sensors to deliver sharp, dynamic visuals. With DJI's expertise in stabilization, the Osmo X may incorporate an advanced gimbal system capable of adjusting independently for each lens, resulting in smooth, uninterrupted footage in all directions. Battery performance will be crucial for a device of this nature, and DJI is likely to equip the Osmo X with a high-capacity battery to support longer shoots. Additionally, integration with VR platforms and editing software may be a focus, ensuring creators can effortlessly process and share their immersive content. DJI's Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to be the go-to choice for beginners and professionals seeking a lightweight yet powerful drone option. Following the success of previous Mini models, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature enhanced imaging capabilities, possibly upgrading to a 4K camera with improved low-light sensitivity. This model is likely to appeal to users who need a high-performance drone without the bulk, especially those who value portability for spontaneous captures. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro will likely offer advanced features in a remarkably compact frame, making it legal to fly in more regions without extensive regulation. Despite its size, the Mini 5 Pro could offer intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint planning, allowing for easy control and creative freedom. An extended battery life of around 35 minutes would provide ample time for capturing a wide range of perspectives. Furthermore, DJI might incorporate enhanced GPS and obstacle avoidance systems, ensuring that even novice users can navigate their surroundings safely. The Mini 5 Pro is set to be a versatile addition to DJI's lineup, providing both quality and convenience for capturing stunning aerial shots on the go. DJI Air 4, expected for release in 2025, is stirring excitement among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Building on the Air series' reputation for portability and cutting-edge features, this upcoming model is likely to retain the compact, foldable design that's ideal for adventurers, potentially even lighter than its predecessor, the Air 3. Camera upgrades appear to be a major focus, with speculation about dual 1-inch sensors to improve image clarity, especially in low light. The inclusion of a mechanical shutter could further reduce motion distortion in fast-paced scenes, making it appealing for photographers and videographers aiming for high-quality aerial shots. Enhanced flight features are also anticipated, such as an upgraded 360-degree obstacle avoidance system that would make it easier to navigate challenging terrains, along with extended battery life for longer flight times. DJI's expected release timeline for the Air 4 aligns with its typical 12 to 18-month update cycle, suggesting we'll likely see it in the latter part of 2025. With competitive pricing expected to be similar to the Air 3, this model could become a popular choice for those looking to capture stunning footage with a more advanced, yet user-friendly drone. In line with industry trends, DJI's 2025 lineup will likely emphasize AI-driven advancements across their drones and handheld devices. From smart tracking and gesture recognition to autonomous flight patterns, DJI is expected to leverage AI to simplify user experience and elevate content quality. For example, object recognition capabilities are expected to improve, allowing DJI drones to distinguish between humans, vehicles, and animals, and adapt flight patterns accordingly. With each device in the lineup, DJI may introduce features that optimize power usage, automatically adjust camera settings in varying conditions, and assist with real-time image processing. The AI advancements will allow users of all experience levels to capture complex shots with minimal effort, focusing on creativity rather than technical setup. While specific release dates are not yet confirmed, DJI's 2025 lineup is expected to roll out in phases. Early releases may include the Mavic 4 Pro and Osmo Pocket 4, with other devices like the Mini 5 Pro and Osmo X following later in the year or the next one. DJI's gradual rollout strategy allows users to explore each new product thoroughly and integrate them into their creative processes over time. All in all, DJI lineup for 2025 is poised to bring innovative solutions to users worldwide, combining advanced technology with ease of use and creativity. With the Mavic 4 Pro, Osmo Pocket 4, Osmo X, and Mini 5 Pro. Leading the way, DJI's newest models cater to a wide range of users, from professionals to enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.